Did you know that sharks, apex predators of the ocean, have survived for over 400 million years, witnessing the rise and fall of dinosaurs and the evolution of other species? Subscribe to the channel to learn more about the incredible survival story of these animals. The survival of sharks is a fascinating study that reveals the resilience and adaptability of a species that has dominated the oceans for millions of years. These animals, often portrayed as bloodthirsty monsters, are actually complex and evolutionarily successful creatures with a rich and deep history. Since the Devonian period, when the first forms of sharks appeared, these predators have adapted to a variety of environments, surviving mass extinctions and drastic climate changes. One of the key factors in the evolutionary success of sharks is their highly developed sensory system. Their keen sense of smell, specialized vision, and detection of electrical fields allow them to locate prey in murky and dark waters. Their rough skin, covered with placoid scales, offers protection against predators and enhances their hydrodynamics, making them efficient swimmers. The anatomy of sharks is also a testament to their adaptation. Their fins, especially the pectoral fins, act like wings, providing stability and maneuverability. Their continuously replaced teeth are powerful tools for capturing and consuming prey, from fish and crustaceans to marine mammals. Despite their intimidating appearance, most sharks pose no threat to humans. Only a few species, such as the great white shark, the tiger shark, and the hammerhead shark, are considered dangerous. Most sharks feed on fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and other marine creatures, playing a key role in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems. Understanding the history and biology of sharks is crucial for their conservation. Overfishing, habitat loss, and marine pollution threaten the survival of many shark species. Sharks are, in fact, essential pieces for the balance of marine ecosystems. To understand how sharks have managed to thrive for so long, we need to delve into the evolutionary history of these predators and analyze the characteristics that have made them so successful. Starting with history, sharks emerged in the Devonian period about 400 million years ago, and since then have adapted to various marine environments, from cold, deep waters to tropical coral reefs. The first sharks were relatively small creatures, about a meter long, and had a fusiform body, adapted for fast swimming. Over time, sharks evolved and diversified, giving rise to a variety of shapes, sizes, and lifestyles. Some developed powerful jaws and sharp teeth, while others opted for more subtle hunting strategies, such as the use of camouflage or attracting prey with bioluminescent lights. The ability of sharks to adapt over millions of years is one of the main factors that has contributed to their success. They have survived mass extinction events that decimated other species, including the Permian-Triassic event, which occurred about 252 million years ago and is considered the most severe mass extinction event in Earth's history. In addition to adaptability, sharks possess a series of characteristics that make them efficient and successful predators. One of their most remarkable attributes is their highly developed sensory system. Sharks have a keen sense of smell, capable of detecting small amounts of blood or other chemicals in the water, even at great distances. They also have an electrical field detection system known as ampullae of Lorenzini, which allows them to sense the electromagnetic fields generated by the muscles of their prey. This ability allows sharks to detect prey hidden in the sand or other substrates. Another important characteristic is their lateral line system, a series of pores along the sides of their body that detects vibrations in the water. This sensitivity allows them to. This adaptability is one of the main factors that has allowed their survival over millions of years. Sharks have a wide range of characteristics that contribute to their success. 1. Keen senses. Sharks have highly developed senses such as vision, smell, and electroreception, which help them detect prey at great distances. The vision of sharks is adapted for vision in murky waters, with large eyes and a retina highly sensitive to light, allowing them to see in low light conditions. The sense of smell is one of the most important senses for sharks, being extremely sensitive to pheromones and other chemical compounds released by prey. They can detect the smell of blood, muscles, and other bodily fluids from kilometers away, navigating towards the smell and finding their prey even in dark or murky waters. Electroreception, in turn, allows sharks to detect weak electrical fields generated by the muscular contractions of aquatic animals, even if they are buried in the sand or hidden among rocks. This ability is particularly important for hunting in murky or dark waters, where vision and smell are less efficient. 2. Efficient anatomy. Their hydrodynamic fusiform body makes them excellent swimmers, while their fins allow for quick and precise maneuvers. The fusiform body of sharks, with a torpedo shape, reduces water resistance during swimming, allowing them to move with great speed and efficiency. Pectoral fins act as stabilizers, controlling lateral movement and rotations, while the dorsal fins help maintain balance and stability. The pelvic fins, located on the lower part of the body, act as rudders, allowing sharks to direct their movements with precision. Crescent-shaped tail provides the propulsive force for swimming, propelling the animal forward with strong and fast movements. This combination of anatomical characteristics makes sharks highly efficient predators, capable of hunting and moving with great speed, and brute force and speed are striking characteristics of sharks, attributes that propel them to the top of the food chain in the oceans. Sharks are perfect hunting machines, with hydrodynamic bodies and powerful musculature, developed for fast and agile propulsion. The muscles that make up the shark's tail are highly efficient, allowing them to perform explosive bursts and quick maneuvers, making them formidable and unpredictable predators. Their pectoral, dorsal, and anal fins act as stabilizers and directors, ensuring stability and precision in movements. The pectoral fins, in particular, can be moved independently, which allows sharks to make abrupt and complex maneuvers. In terms of speed, sharks can reach impressive speeds depending on the species and the environment. The great white shark, for example, can reach a top speed of 56 kilometers per hour in short distances, while the hammerhead shark, known for its speed and agility, can reach speeds close to 40 kilometers per hour. Speed is a vital attribute for sharks, facilitating the pursuit of fast prey such as seals and dolphins and escaping from larger predators. In addition to strength and speed, sharks have a number of characteristics that contribute to their success as predators. 3. Powerful teeth. Sharks have sharp teeth that are constantly replaced, ensuring an efficient hunting system. The dentition of sharks is highly specialized, varying according to species and diet. Sharks that feed on fish, such as the blue shark, have thin, cutting teeth, ideal for tearing flesh. Sharks that feed on crustaceans, such as the hammerhead shark, have flattened, blunt teeth, perfect for crushing hard shells. The ability to constantly replace teeth is crucial for the survival of sharks, as it ensures that their teeth are always sharp and efficient for hunting. Scientific studies prove the importance of sharks for marine ecosystems. For example, a study published in the journal Nature showed that the reduction of the shark population in certain areas led to an imbalance in the food chain, with negative consequences for other species. The research, conducted by an international team of scientists, analyzed data collected in different regions of the world, including the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, and demonstrated that the absence of sharks in a given ecosystem can have profound and lasting impacts on the structure and functioning of the marine community. The reduction of the shark population, mainly due to overfishing, can lead to the proliferation of their natural prey, such as rays, manatees, and sea turtles. This proliferation, in turn, can lead to a reduction in the availability of food for other species, including commercially important fish, and the degradation of coral reefs and other marine habitats. In addition, the absence of sharks can lead to increased competition among the remaining species, impacting the biological diversity and resilience of marine ecosystems. Presence of sharks ensures the health of the oceans by controlling populations of other species, preventing the excessive proliferation of certain prey, and maintaining the balance of biodiversity. Sharks play a crucial role as apex predators, regulating the food chain and ensuring the health of marine ecosystems. Their absence can have devastating consequences for the health of the oceans and for marine life in general. A study conducted off the coast of Australia, for example, showed that the reduction of the shark population led to a significant increase in the population of rays, which began to compete with other species for food and space, negatively impacting the local marine community. In addition, the absence of sharks can also lead to the proliferation of algae, which can suffocate coral reefs and other marine habitats, harming biodiversity and the health of marine ecosystems. The importance of sharks for the health of the oceans goes beyond controlling the food chain. Sharks also play a fundamental role in maintaining health. The survival of sharks depends on conservation actions, as predatory fishing and habitat loss threaten their populations. These animals, often portrayed as marine monsters, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, acting as apex predators in the food chain. Their presence ensures the health of coral reefs, the regulation of prey populations, and the biological diversity of the oceans. However, overfishing, incidental capture in fishing nets, and the degradation of their habitats, such as mangroves and coral reefs, jeopardize the survival of several species of sharks. It is estimated that about a third of shark species are threatened with extinction, an alarming number that requires urgent action to reverse this trend. It is crucial to promote awareness about the importance of these animals for the environment, encouraging sustainable fishing practices and the protection of marine areas. The lack of knowledge about the role of sharks in the marine ecosystem, the misinformation about the threat to their survival, and the mistaken belief that they are dangerous creatures contribute to the lack of empathy and protection actions. It is essential to combat prejudice and misinformation, promoting environmental education and the dissemination of reliable information about the biology, behavior, and ecological importance of sharks. To help preserve sharks, you can consume seafood responsibly. Opt for species of fish and seafood that are not threatened with extinction, ensuring that fishing is sustainable. Research certifications for responsible fishing, such as the Marine Stewardship Council (MSC), which ensure that the capture of seafood products is carried out in an ecologically correct way. Avoid consuming shark meat, especially threatened species such as the hammerhead shark, the great white shark, and the whale shark. 2. Support marine conservation organizations. There are several organizations that dedicate their efforts to protecting the oceans and their inhabitants, including sharks, and ensure that the products you buy come from sustainable sources. Shark fishing is often carried out irresponsibly, with methods that cause great environmental impact and jeopardize the survival of several species. By opting for products from sustainable sources, you contribute to the protection of the oceans and the preservation of biodiversity. Look for products with certification seals such as the MSC Marine Stewardship Council, which guarantee responsible fishing. In addition, seek to know the origin of the products you consume, preferring those from fisheries that use selective methods and that respect catch limits. A good example is companies that sell shark meat from breeding farms where animals are raised in controlled conditions, avoiding overfishing and the accidental capture of other species. By making conscious choices, you contribute to the health of the oceans and the maintenance of a balanced marine ecosystem. 3. Support organizations that work for shark conservation. Donate time or resources to organizations that are dedicated to the protection of the oceans and the preservation of biodiversity. There are several national and international organizations that work to protect sharks, developing scientific research, awareness campaigns, conservation projects, and actions to combat illegal fishing. The WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature, Oceana, Conservation International, and the Shark Trust are some examples of organizations that dedicate their efforts to the protection of these animals. You can support these entities through financial donations, participation in events and campaigns, volunteering, or simply by publicizing their actions. 3. Educate others about the importance of sharks. Share information about sharks and the challenges they face, raising awareness about the need to protect them. It's essential to combat the myths and prejudices surrounding sharks, highlighting their importance for the balance of the oceans and the health of the planet. Sharks are apex predators in the food chain, playing a crucial role in regulating populations of other marine species. In short, the survival of sharks is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Understanding their survival mechanisms and recognizing their fundamental role in marine ecosystems are essential to ensure their protection and the health of the oceans. If you're interested in this topic and want to learn more about marine life and the challenges of ocean conservation, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. And be sure to check out the video on the end screen for more information on this topic.